other people have made kind of some makeshift pole holders. Of course, I've got them. I need to just get them out of my pickup. And this is as important as anything. That current has calmed down a lot. If you guys were with me this morning, you know that it was ripping through here. Real heavy current. And it was just tearing through. But, and don't let the surface fool you. That current's still swirling hard. You can see it there. There is a lot of current, but there's not so much now that I won't even be able to keep my bait where I want it. And that's kind of the situation I was in earlier. I was like, man, I can't even keep my bait where I need it. And that's kind of a tough situation to be in. So I'll see how we do here. Hopefully well. Gotta make sure a couple of things. El numero uno. Make sure that's the way you need it. Look at that, how the wind is taking that. I'm probably gonna have to maybe not. So, wind ought to be all day, which I'll be honest with you, I don't think that's a bad thing. I think that's probably a plus at this point. There we go. Notice how I've got one set up right next to the bank. The other one's in the current on this one. That old circle hook may have got him. Let's see if we got him. Yeah, we got something. We got something. Little one, tiny one. Probably a dadgum bluegill. He's rolling like a catfish. So maybe we can say that we got one. Yeah, we can say that. Look at that. He got off too. Well, almost. Might just be a bunch of little ones over there messing with me. Or it could just be the wind. Something small messing with me. Look at that. Something's trying and I have zero confidence. There we go. We're hooked up now. Feels like a little better one. Feels like a little better one. Keep ourselves poised and in position here. Oh look, he's gonna come to me. Isn't that nice of him? Barely give a little boy take some drag. That looks like a decent one. Feels like a decent one even. Let him tire himself out. Forgot how much fun it was. He's definitely a head roller. All right. He's probably a tiny dude too. That's what gets me. Don't ever let anybody tell you these channel cats don't fight hard. They do. He's a small guy, I think. Here, let's see if we can do this right quick. Oh. Nearly came in there. He's just a small guy. Well, he's small but decent. At least he's a channel. There you go. Oh, all right. Dang it, y'all. I stretched my dadgum arm out there a little bit. Shoulder. Here, I'll get him as close as I can. I don't cut it, he's gonna die. Check that out, guys. Cheers. All right, I better hurry it up with that one. Gotta be. I'm sure hoping this one did its job. Yes, it did. This one did its job. Tiny little fish. Why didn't the other one do its job? I don't know. There's number 2. Now we just gotta calm him down a minute. Tell you what, these little ones, they'll mess you up. Don't think they won't. So we're gonna try to do it like this. A lot of times if you'll do this and you'll neutralize that tail, there we go. Through the bottom, it's a weird hook set, but at least I can let him go. A little juvenile, still got spots. We'll let him go down here.